Hello everybody, my name's Keith Kelly and I've been asked to do a short video introduction to some workshops that I'll be doing at SprachGastein in October 2018. The first workshop I'll be giving will have the title Soft Skills, a bridge between content CLIL and language CLIL. And my idea with this workshop is to engage with the predominantly language teaching audience at the conference in an area which I firmly believe offers a lot of ground for collaboration within a school between the language colleagues and the content teaching colleagues. These areas frequently called soft skills, and I'm going to look specifically at where these soft skills cross over with language functions in the curriculum. So we'll look at hypothesis, we'll look at cause effect, we'll look at argumentation, graphing and describing and interpreting data in graphs, and how language teachers can work in these areas within their language lessons at a time, hopefully, when it's going on in their subject curriculum, and therefore tie up what's going on and be good for the students, and ultimately provide opportunities for collaboration between the teachers. The other area I'm going to work on, which I'm very excited about, is a workshop with the title Agri-CLIL, profession-specific CLIL for agricultural and forestry colleges. And this is a new initiative for me, and I believe quite a young area of professional development in Austria as well, where these colleges are offering some of their curriculum through the medium of English now. And so I'm going to look at the methods and materials and activities that we use in those professional development sessions that I contribute to. And we're very lucky to have a co-presenter with us, Elke Kainz, who's a biologist teaching one of these colleges, who present an actual lesson that she's given with her students on soil analysis through the medium of English. And our aim there is going to be to pose questions of discussion to our audience on the role of CLIL for preparing young Austrians for the wider world of work. So those two areas you can look forward to from my contribution to SprachGastein 2018. Look forward to seeing you there.